Hi YouTube, my name is Andrew and this is Kite Army. Today we're going to be replacing this outdoor floodlight right here with this Ring Cam floodlight. The cool thing about this solution is it's a camera and floodlight all wrapped up into one. The other really nice thing about this is installation's a breeze because you've already got your power up there powering your original floodlight, so there's less work to install it. The other nice thing is at night, because it's got those lights, your nighttime video is gonna be really good. So what we're gonna do today is check out what's inside the box. We're gonna install this thing and do some testing. We got a bunch to do today. Let's get into it. All right guys, before we jump into this video, I wanna share with you a few details about this Ring Floodlight Cam. So this guy is made by the same company who makes the Ring video doorbell. You probably have heard of it. It was like a crazy success for them. And hopefully what they learned in making that video camera, they've applied to some of their new products like this guy right here, the video floodlight. This guy specifically is a 1080p HD camera smashed together with two LED floodlights. It has a 110 dB siren in it. That will kind of scare off bad guys. You can do object and person detection. You can set up zones and scheduling, a bunch of configuration you can do on this guy. And lastly, if that wasn't all enough, it has two-way talk. So if the siren doesn't scare them away, your voice might by saying something like this, something really scary like,
"Get away from the door."
Now that we've done that, let's find out what's inside. All right, every great YouTube video includes a unboxing montage. Here it is. Inside the Ring Floodlight Cam box, you get the Ring Floodlight Cam. You can see the LED lights are adjustable as well as the camera. And then back here, you have the wiring. Here's the mounting plate, a manual, and an accessory kit. Now wait for the magic. Here it is. You get screws. Check that out. Magical screwdriver and some wire nuts. So there's a good chance you're already gonna have some sort of light fixture in the place where you wanna put your new Ring Floodlight Cam, and that's okay, but I just wanna warn you, at this point you're gonna be working with electricity, so if you're not comfortable and can't be sure that you can turn off the power for that outlet, please contact an electrician. They can help you with this part, no problem. Anyway, let's go forward and remove this floodlight. We've got our power turned off at the circuit breaker. We've got the switch off. We're safe. We double checked ourselves. Make sure you do the same. Let's get this guy off the wall. So now that we're done with all that boring stuff, let me show you how to install this Ring Floodlight Cam. They include this little hook right here. It's really convenient. You just hook that on the back of some of the wires on the new Ring Cam, and then you hang it up here. Then you can wire it up so you don't have to be a juggler while you install the new Floodlight Cam. Next, get your wire nuts and match your black to black, your white to white. Oh, drop one there. Back up. Screw them on clockwise. And once you've done that, verify, just give them a little tug, make sure they're in there nice and snug. So in this next step, you're gonna use the screwdriver that was included with your Floodlight Cam. Just remove the bit like that, and that's because the screws to attach the floodlight to the fixture require these nuts that neatly fit inside the handle of the screwdriver. There's a nut right here. Tighten that nut in so you can adjust where your camera goes. You can adjust where your lights go at this point. And you're good to go. Restore your power, install your app, you can do the rest of the work inside. So let me be the first to congratulate you on all your hard work. You've got your cam installed. All that's left is download the Ring Always Home app. It's available on the Android and Apple store. Just download it. It'll walk you through the install. It's super easy. So now that you've got your app configured, let me show you how some of the coolest features of this camera work. So let me demonstrate to you how the two-way talk works on this Ring Floodlight Cam.
Andrew, are you out there making another YouTube video?
No. Nope, not at all. So in addition to the two-way talk, the Ring Floodlight Cam also has alarm. Check this out.
We're not home right now. Can you come back again later?
No, I'm here now, and that's it. I'm staying. For those of you brave enough to look, here's some sample video from the Ring Cam Floodlight. Well, that was a fun video to make. Before we do the wrap up, please make sure you smash that like button below, subscribe to my channel, check out all my other content. It helps me do more videos like this. Anyway, let's do the wrap up. First off, this is the first Ring product I've ever reviewed, and overall, I thought it was pretty good. Now, before I talk about the details, let's talk about the cost. This guy, the Ring Floodlight Cam, sells for about $230. That's the retail. I got it around Christmas time for about $179. So if you wait for a sale, you'll probably get yourself one of these for a decent price. Now, there's lots that I liked about this camera. First off, it had a bunch of features. I loved how bright the LEDs were. I loved how easy it was to install. I like the fact it's got a siren, the two-way talk's pretty good, and overall, I really like the functionality of the app. So let me tell you about some of the things that I don't love about this Ring Floodlight Cam. First off, it really requires a cloud storage to save any video. So some of the stuff you saw today wouldn't have been possible without the cloud storage. Secondly, I noticed some of the videos were really pixelated when I downloaded them to my phone. I don't know why that is. And if you wanted to see like a license plate, you're gonna have trouble with that kind of resolution. Lastly, I noticed there was a delay on the notifications, which if someone was breaking into your house, that delay would be a problem for you. Anyway, that's it for now. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys around real soon.